I am at the Stella and Dot Trunk Show at the home of Dee Dee Cunningham. She's hosting it with her friend Kim Barnes. This show has been fabulous. Tanya Towns is the Stella and Dot rep. They have some splendid jewelry. I bought a Divine bracelet set that I actually saw on Dee Dee. I'm trying on a number of pieces that people are trying to buy them off of me. Amazing, amazing jewelry. I must say, this trunk show is on top. The price points are great, the food is great, and the guests are enjoying themselves. Again, I had a great time. Thank you for inviting me. I am Samantha.
This time here today. All the jewelry, Stella and Dot. I'm grateful and thankful that Dee Dee and Kim and Tanya invited me to this show. I missed the first show, and I said I would not miss the second show. So I've had a fabulous time. The jewelry is awesome.
Hello, I'm here today at the Trunk Show. I was invited by Dee Dee, Tanya, and Kim. And here you have pieces of jewelry that you would love to purchase. You just can't purchase one, just like a lace tete-a-tete. You just can't have one.
I'm Philita Robinson, and I just wanted to let you know I had a lovely time. I purchased this nice necklace because it looks like a C to me, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So thank you.
Getting you a wonderful food. It just happened to be jewelry, and you want all of it.
I want to thank the ladies for coming out to the Stella and Dot Trunk Show. We had a great time. See you again.